Hi everyone, so today we will learn the lash application, and for this we require lash fixture, the lashes from Bombay Vanity, and applying the lash glue. Once the lash glue become transparent, we will apply it on the original lashes of client. Be very much careful. First you need to fix it, and till then do not open the eye of the client. It will take 1 to 2 minutes to getting fixed, but once it get fixed, so it will not move anywhere, because here we are using the brand PAC ka lash fixture, and it's a very good brand. I personally believe on this. It will not move for up to 24 hours. And I am going to reveal the final look now. You can see here it is. Thank you.